Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well, you have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and sell tickets on Ticketmaster. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead first access your Chrome browser itself. So once you're done, so you can see this kind of interface will pop up, right? So afterwards, what you're gonna make sure is simply gonna go ahead first, get signed in over here in the profile icon, tapping on, and signing in would be best. After you have done that, you're simply gonna go ahead. Once you have done doing that, you're gonna go back. Once you have signed in, then again this kind of interface will pop up with your account information on this profile icon. Now for you to sell your tickets, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead, tap on the sale icon given beside. So here in this section, you have two options called sell tickets and my listing. So we would like to sell tickets, so I'll go to sell tickets option. After we have done so, you can see search for events you want to sell tickets. You're gonna go ahead simply search in events that you have purchased a ticket, or search event then purchase tickets for you to add or here in sale. Afterwards, simply gonna follow the prompts given by Ticketmaster itself. Like first thing would be, you have to make sure that if the ticket that you have purchased from allows for you to resale it, and then afterwards you're gonna set your price according to you, and then tap on this get paid, which will show you the method that how you would like to get paid. Once you have done so, you're gonna go ahead, apply it for the sale, and then your ticket will now show on the shop section where customers can buy it from you, and they will be able to contact you to purchase it. So that will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.